Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the FabFitFun spring unboxing. This is a subscription you can get, or you can get it per season. They come 4 boxes a year. There are some people who do sponsored videos for them. This is completely unsponsored. I did purchase some items in addition. They do like sale add-ons or add-on items that you can do, so I did add on to the box. I'll share with you guys my add-ons first, and then we'll get into the box. And then at the end, I'll see if the money was worth it, if I'm happy with the products, things like that. So let's get into the spring FabFitFun unboxing. So first thing that was an add-on, if y'all have been following me for a long time here on my channel, you know I am a diehard Lily Pulitzer fan. Clothes, jewelry, like accessories, home decor, things like that. One of the things that were there were these wine sets, and I actually purchased, I think it's the Totally Blossom one. It's on Amazon. I purchased it. It was in an Amazon haul. I'll link that up above. But I saw these, and this is in the style Aqua La Vista. And what I love most about these, or the ones that I have, I'm pretty sure these are about the same, is that they are plastic wine glasses. So they are just perfect to have for outdoor patios or just clumsy people in general. They are super cute. So like pink blue pattern. They have the little XX lily on there, if you can see. But I love my other ones so much, and when I saw these were on sale, I had to pick them up too. I would recommend hand washing them. That's typically what I do with mine, but I saw another set of these and I had to pick them up. I love when I can find some good Lily Pulitzer things on FabFitFun. So this next thing is actually a early gift for my dad. I saw that they had these LED indoor planters, and this is something that you can get in the box. I added it on, I think it was $10–15. But I thought this would be something really nice for my dad. He likes doing plants, things like that. I am horrible. I am no green thumb by any means, but this is something I know that he would enjoy, and I just thought of it when I saw it in the customizations. Thought this would be perfect for him, so I did grab that up. The other thing that it came with, and I don't believe I purchased this, but I think this was an add-on, or it came with a planter. This is the Heirloom Herb Basil Italian Large Leaf, and he does have a garden, so I thought that would be cute and it would go great as a gift for him. Father's Day is right around the corner. It's June, but you know, it's always good to like think ahead. And then the last add-on item, they had a really affordable makeup erasers. This is their neon green kind. I am obsessed with makeup erasers. I have probably like 3 pink and a black one. They are normally retail for about $20. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them at beauty salons, you can get them at Ulta, where have you. I never saw the neon green before, but this is how I dry my face and how I take off my makeup at the end of the day. I'll put some water on it, or mainly for me, I put on my eye makeup remover and like a toner to kind of take off the majority of my makeup. And then after I'm done washing my face, I'll use this instead of like a face towel or something like that to actually like dry my face off. These things are so smooth. They have a short-haired side and a long-haired side. I love these, and when you're done using it, I pretty much will do like my eye makeup here, my face, my eye makeup, my face, my eye makeup, face, and then I use this side to kind of dry my face off. And so I get about 3 nights usage of this, and then when I'm done with it, you just throw it into your washer and your dryer, and you're good to go on like a cold load. So highly recommend these and love them. Looks like they have a couple other colors as well. Like I said, I've had pink and black, but it looks like they also have now, oh, here it is. They also have like a purple, navy, light blue, yellow, orange, red. They have so many different colors. Now, highly recommend them. Like I said, my favorite way to do my skincare and take off makeup. So now we're getting into the actual spring box, and just looking at the box, I love these boxes. So me and my husband actually save these boxes when we use them. They're really good for carrying if you are like cooking something, or like have a casserole you're taking to your family, or a bakery dish. These are just really nice sturdy boxes that we like to kind of travel with, so we keep these boxes. We're those millennials. But this box seems like extremely big compared to most of the seasonal boxes. So in here you get the magazine, which tells you all the customizations, things like that. There's normally like HelloFresh. There's a code for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Looks like there are some stickers here. Jackson, my 3-year-old son, will like playing with those stickers, so I'll hold that. This is what my box looks like. So let's get in to the magazine so I can tell you guys kind of the different customizations you could have chose, and then I'll get into what I ended up getting. So the first thing you could have gotten was the Alice and Olivia Daisy print duffel bag, the Paracone MD Essential FX Rejuvenating Moisturizer, Short Stories LED Indoor Planter that retails for $60, and then the True Leaf Italian large leaf basil seeds is about $2. So that is what I got my dad as an add-on for 10-15 bucks, which is a great deal. Then you have the Monroe Classic Watch in Sunburst Solar Rose, the Jenny Kane Water Heithel, I don't know how to say that word, tray with cutout handles, the Tech Candy UV Sanitizer, the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Face Mask and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum, the Shasana umbrella, and the Calpac set of 3 packing cubes. So for me, looking at all these choices, I already have the packing cubes. I use them all the time. I'm actually using them for a trip we're about to go on. I thought the UV sanitation thing was kind of gimmicky, especially with what's going on in the world. Like, does it actually work? So if you get that, let me know how it works for you guys. I don't need another bag. I feel like they constantly are pushing out bags. And then I don't wear any kind of watches anymore because I wear my Apple Watch. So it looks like they got, where I picked out, the tray. So this is the Jenny Kane Water Heithel tray with cutouts. Add a natural element into your home with this functional and decorative tray. And it retails for $45. So this is super cute, nice. I thought this would be great on top of like our coffee tables or kitchen tables, that you can have a candle or a flower or something. Just a nice little decorative piece, or even in the bathroom. It isn't super big, but I mean, it's a decent size for like a table or a coffee table, things like that. So I picked this out and I'm pretty excited I did. The next thing you could have gotten were the Our Place lunchbox, and I am a stay-at-home mom. I do not currently need a lunchbox with a 3-year-old. Then a Billion Dollar Brows 6-piece Pro Brush Essential Kit. Don't really need any more makeup brushes. The Josie Marin 100% Pure Argan Oil. I have used this in the past. I didn't use it up completely before it went bad, but I did like using it on my skin and hair. The Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink. I feel like they push these slippers or some kind of slippers in every box. Then you have the Guillaume Ultimate Core Toning Kit, the Steel Mill & Co. To Do Planning Bundle, which I already have a planner, and then the MAC Cosmetics Powder Kiss Lipstick Duo. And it looks like I have the toning kit. So this retails for $50. Tone your core and improve flexibility with the Core Plus Reformer and Mini Ab Ball. This is kind of what it looks like in the package. So it looks like it comes with a little small ball that I can blow up. And then this really interesting like contraption that looks like, what are these called? Elastic kind of stretchers, I don't know. Elastic workout. Anyway, so there's 4 of them, which is interesting. I've had one with 2, but 4 of them is pretty interesting. Like I said, it does have an app that you can join. Oh, and you can also download the workout and care guides on the website right there. So we'll show you kind of how to do and what to do with this thing. Just looked kind of the most neat for me out of all those options. And I like that it has a little yoga ball as well. So I have a big yoga ball. I have some ankle weights and like a 5 pounds. So it's always good to increase your gym equipment repertoire, especially when, for me, that was the best option. So the next customization you could have done was the Verso Skincare Super Eye Serum, the Alice and Olivia Reversible Bucket Hat. I don't wear hats like that very often. The Joy Dravecki Chloe ring, the Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters, and the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury hair mask. I have the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury hair mask is what I picked out for myself. $55. It's an antioxidant rich shea butter, restores softness and shine to your locks. So you apply to washed hair for 5 minutes or even overnight and you rinse it. So that's good to know that it is a mask, so you do need to rinse it out of your hair. So I'd probably most likely use this in the shower instead of a deep conditioner one night and like shave my legs, do something in the shower, like clean my body, all that kind of stuff, and then clean it out. That's how I personally will use it. It says it's sulfate free, paraben free, and vegan, so I will let you guys know how that goes. So the next customization is the Sorbus Makeup Organizer, the Ahava Refreshing Facial Cleansing Gel, the Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, Larkin Ives Hair Scarf Bundle, the Grown Alchemist Body Cream, Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, and it looks like for me, they have this Cosmetic Organizer case. So this is really neat. It's something that I can put on top of my vanity. I thought it looked really cute. Let's see what it looks like. So I love the flower design on the bottom. So this retails for $30, and I think it would be great to have my everyday kind of basics in here. Lipsticks that I need, a concealer that I need. In this one, I don't know what I would do, probably foundation and the primer in there. But just kind of my everyday necessities I can put in here, or things I just like to switch up. You can even put perfumes in here. It's not super big. It's kind of small, medium size, a little bit bigger than my hand. But on top of like a bathroom, like by my bathroom, I think this would be good. Or on top of my makeup vanity to kind of showcase some of the nicer products, like my YSL Charlotte Tilbury. I think that would be pretty neat. And then I was right, there's a HelloFresh in there, and there's also the daily vitamins in there, and I never really do anything with those, so those will just immediately go in the trash. Okay, moving on to the next customization is the Pure Cosmetic Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Oil, Camp Collection Dip Dye A Market Tote, Cocoa Floss Tropical Trio, the Summer Rose Tweezer with Pouch, and then the H. Halston Aloe Infused Gel Lined Socks and Pumice Stone. I got the H. Halston Aloe Infused Gel Lined Socks with the Pumice Stone. So slip on those aloe infused terry socks for noticeably softer feet. This retails for $40. I was really interested in this for especially the pumice stone. My feet lately, especially since it's like wintertime, it's getting so rough. So I love that it came with a little pumice stone. It is on a little hook so you can have it in your bathroom. And then it has these really nice big pink socks that have aloe in there. It's kind of like a gel-like material inside. It does have little gripper bottoms, which I'm like old now and always need gripper bottoms walking around my house, because if not, then I slip and fall down the stairs. Let me know if you're like that. But yeah, I'm excited to give these a go and just kind of pamper my feet. The next thing is what FabFitFun picks out for you based on your choices before. So they could have picked out the Each Jewels Flower Hair Clips, the Human and Kind Hand Scrub Elderberry and Raspberry, or the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. So they picked out the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Like, I would have never picked that out for myself. It's an oil featuring spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. Retails for $38, but I have not heard of this brand or this product in general. Uses a lot of words like I'm not familiar with, but I am excited to play with it and let you guys know how it goes. Really pretty blue kind of water. Comes with a little water dropper. So I will give that a go, let you guys know. Let's see, out of those choices, what I've picked, probably the hand scrub out of all of them. The next thing they could have picked out for me was the SF Glow Suns Out Pouts Out Lip Mask, the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, or the Cali Cosmetic Body Wash. I probably would have gone for the body wash, but it looks like they gave me the Suns Out Pouts Out infused with Cica and honey flower extract. These are gold foil lip masks. So this will be kind of something fun and different to do. It says it's soothe, nourish, kissable, and softens your lips. So this might be a fun video to do for you guys, but I probably would not have picked that out for myself, and definitely wasn't interested in the cactus sippy cup. Maybe for my son, but no, probably not. And then the last two things that they could have picked for you were the Say reusable beauty rounds, the 3-pack, or the Nails Ink nail polish in Mayfair Lane. So they picked out the beauty rounds, Stitcher makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So it'll be interesting. I'm excited to try this compared to like the makeup eraser, which is what I typically use. These are kind of the same long hair on both sides. It looks like you can machine wash it and dry it just like my makeup eraser. So I'll play with these and see kind of what the difference is for me, if I still prefer my makeup eraser over them. But yeah, it'll be something fun and different to play with. But that is everything for this FabFitFun box. So I'm gonna go ahead, calculate what everything costs, and I will put it right here. And then looking at everything, what I'm most excited about that actually came in the box that was not an add-on. I'm probably most excited for the tray this month. I think this is super neat, as well as the organizer. I am excited to play with these. I just really like using something like this and just use my like toners on there or my cellar waters on there to kind of take off my makeup. I am really excited about these socks. And then probably the hair mask as well, I'm excited to do. I'm not a big fan. I haven't tried this. I don't know. I'm not really big into changing up my skincare routine that much, but I will play with this. I don't know. Unless I force myself to do like a video on this, I don't know if I'm going to actually use this. It comes with a pack of 4, so I might try one out and then maybe just give this to a couple girlfriends, see if they like it. But overall, and then the exercise things will be good as well. So overall, I do think this box was worth it this month. I'm really excited with the products that I got from FabFitFun this spring. I keep saying month, but it's like season. Let me know what you guys got. Did you get any similar products as me? Do you think the box was worth it for you this month? Let's chat about it in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.